Terasa senang walaupun banyak yang kurang, asal ku rasa tenang, yeah.
...2017 Audi R8 V10, second one this week. Oh my God.
I'm gonna put it right on the back side of it.
Sportinis Bimbals nunešė 3 mašinas ant posūkio Valakampiuose. Kaip atrodo bimbalistai. Čia va kiek nekaltų mašinų.
Just got this thing ceramic coated and water don't even stick to it now.
Ai, senhora! Thiaguinho, olha o Thiaguinho aqui, saiu meio metendo o pé aqui no carro aqui, ó. Dá uma olhada.
It's alright, mate.
What's the name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park.
Okay, you guys, my new ride is here. Look at this. This is all the cozy fabric for Skims. Look, I'm matching the car. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Oh my God. Look at this. I am in Skims Cozy. Look at that. I am actually dying. It is so cute.
Horsepower G-Class recovery. This.
Пиздец, мы чуть не убились. Фу, блядь. Мы чуть не убились, блядь. Колесо вылетело.
That's a write-off.
That's a write-off?
Yeah.
Do you even know what a write-off is?
Yeah. It's when you buy something for your business and the government pays you back for it.
Oh, and who pays for it?
Nobody. You write it off.
Who writes it off?
I don't know. The write-off people.
Damn, car's looking clean. Can't wait to take it for a ride. What the fuck?
I think it'd be an oil line.
What? The thing went down.
The flame was right on like the bushy.
It's from the heat that combusted. Yeah, those are like